OfferUp has been one of our most stable providers that we've had. Well, we have a large inventory at STG. We have approximately 1,400 cars, all makes and models. We just don't have any problems with OfferUp. Once we got our feet online, we hit the ground running, and it's pretty much an autopilot. That's how we ended up stumbling upon OfferUp, was the need to replace these outdated lead source providers that have cumbersome interfaces that don't facilitate communication. OfferUp does have that immediacy about it. They can hop onto the chat and respond immediately and get into a conversation. It's just a very steady system that just works. We've rolled OfferUp to all 4 of our stores in 2 states. It's grown as our organization has grown, so it is literally the first provider we bring to any of our stores, because the nice thing about it is that the leads start coming in very, very quickly.
OfferUp.